So originally I was an art major, and then I just changed to biology because I love the bees so much, and I was trying to search for this sort of intermediate between science and art, and bees kind of gave that to me. So it kind of takes the analytical mind of a scientist to be a beekeeper, but it also takes a really observational eye of an artist. It's amazing because they're a really interdisciplinary sort of subject. Like, anybody can get involved in the club if they want to work directly with the bees, or if they want to do other things like make products from the hives. Like, we make hand salve and we make lotions and stuff. And there are just a lot of different ways to get involved. We like to do a lot of communication with the community and just try to create a really good advocacy for the bees and bee decline overall. In Allendale, it was about 4 years ago.
4 years?
Yeah, I want to say. So it hasn't been that long,
Right.
And it took a little bit of a fight to get him here. My advisor really fought tooth and nail for it. Well, there are 3 live ones here.
3 live ones?
Yeah.
Okay,
so.
and then how many, rough estimate, how many bees do you think there are total?
Oh, that's a good question. Right now it's hard to tell because their populations are probably a little low through the winter, but
Yeah.
generally, like, their high populations into the summer can be like 40,000 to 60,000 bees in a hive. We take care of them usually once every week or 2, especially in the spring. In the winter, there's not as much activity in the hives, but right now we're about to do our spring cleaning, which is pretty exciting. So yeah, we're just checking up on them, making sure they have enough food, and making sure their hives are clean. Well, we usually clean out the dead bees and just kind of make sure our equipment is in order. Right now we're building a shed as well, so that's going to kind of be part of our spring cleaning routine, just to clean up our equipment.
We have a place to store our equipment. We've been having some problems with like wax moths and other pests infecting our bee equipment, so this is just a way to have somewhere to store it that keeps it safe, dry, and then separate from other farming equipment that might bring in like pests or just dirt in general. And then just to kind of have an area for GVSU beekeepers at the Sustainable Agriculture Project. That's kind of like our little area. We're hoping to have it done in 2 days. It's taking a while to level the ground, which is currently not level. And after that, we are going to be building a shed, and my dad is helping out, which is great. But yeah, I think we've just figured it out. I think Beekeepers is one thing that Emily and I have learned is just, if you don't know how to do something, just figure it out, ask people who know,